If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy S26, then of course we have two methods that work, two main methods that is, the wireless method and the wired method. First I'm gonna start with the wireless method. In this case, if you have a wireless charger, then you should be able to place your Galaxy S26 on top of that charger and it should work pretty much straight away. There is no setting on or option that requires you to go through settings in order to turn it on or something like that. It just works pretty much straight away. And we also have Qi 2 support, so if you have a wireless charger with Qi 2 technology, it should work just fine as well. This also includes mostly chargers that you can find in your cars, for example. So if you have a car with a wireless charger for your phone, then it's most likely it's going to work as well. Now, besides that, of course, the fastest charging option or the fastest charging method is the wired method, and to be precise, with the power adapter. In my case, I have this power adapter. I actually have one more, and in both cases I have USB-A port, so this is something that you might need to take a look at while purchasing a power adapter, because originally the USB cable that we get inside the box with the phone is USB-C on both ends. So in this case, you need to find a power adapter that uses a USB-C port as well if you don't want to replace the original USB cord. So in my case I have this kind of cable. In your case you will have a cable that has the same end on both sides over here, and the idea is that of course you connect the USB cable to the power adapter, and then you connect the USB-C cable to the phone and it should work just fine. So let's see how it works. Just plug it in. And there we go, we are now charging. And of course, if you do not have a power adapter just yet, you can still use the USB cable to charge your phone. And you can connect your phone to pretty much anything that provides power via the USB cord. So this can be your laptop or computer, this can be your car, this can be a power bank, pretty much anything. So of course, power adapters are usually the best options because they usually provide the fastest charging speed. This is something that you probably want to get if you don't have it yet. But as an alternative, of course, you can use some other stuff as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.